different modes of demonstration, so there'll be a quick break. First mode, I'm going to use the onboard speaker and just show you how it sounds playing. The second mode, I'm going to hook it up to a little reverb delay unit, and then going through my cheap 99-cent amp going to my homemade speaker. So here's what the Quack Quack hex box sounds like on its own. Turn it on, it hums a little bit. And it's hard to do a wolf whistle on it. So that's it on its own. Makes quite a racket. Now, probably gonna take a quick break. I'm gonna hook up to this thing and then maybe I'll mess with the dimmer switch. It's kind of fun. So as you can hear, I mean, the mixing isn't great, makes a lot of noise, background noise. Next time I do this, I'm going to do it stereo, 3 channels maximum at once for the mixing. But you know, each project you learn something, and this didn't, you know, the chip was like 50 cents. The rest of the parts probably cost me about $3 total to make this thing. But yeah, that Nicholas Collins book, highly recommended. Now, before we go, I just got this. It's a little voice changer, and I'm going to be rehacking this into some kind of a noise box. I want to combine some of this technology into a big thing that makes a lot of different noises. So this is... Happy hacking. Thanks for watching, and keep on hacking.